Hey, buddy, we're here talking about Louisville, Kentucky today. Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I'm talking about Louisville. This city is awesome. Tons of technology and innovation right here in the city. And I want to share with you my top 5 entrepreneurial resources for you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or startup to get started here today. If you do have any questions about patents, trademarks, copyrights, or trade secrets, do schedule some time right here on our page. Click below in the Bold Inventor Kit, or visit boldpatents.com and book a free discovery call today. So let's dig into my top 5 here in Louisville. My first and foremost is Accelerate Health. This is obviously a healthcare, biotech startup. It's a healthcare-focused accelerator. They do a 12-week, they call it a lean startup boot camp in a virtual incubator. It's named one of the top 50 in the whole country. So you cannot miss Accelerate with an X to check it out. A recent startup that just launched out of there is Apellis. You may have heard of Apellis. It's a biopharm company. They specialize in retinal, so eye autoimmune diseases. They're headquartered right here in Louisville, so check them out. And one quick note about accelerators is, they're going to have more of a holistic approach. They're trying to get you, your company, funding. And that 12-week process, they're going to be educating you, helping you build your team out, and developing that true startup path so you can go toward maybe a Series A, big financing round to grow your company, conduct the clinical trials, whatever it is that you have come up with. So it's important when you decide to launch into something like that, that you have your intellectual property locked down before moving forward. So give us a call if your question, if you have concerns about maybe anything that might be confidential, you want to secure before you launch or start an accelerator program. All right, number 2 is the VOT Awards. Maybe it's VOT, but it's VOGT Awards. This is a 10-week startup mentoring program. So a little different than the accelerators, where they'll do training. You have kind of lower amounts of funding, $25,000, a big chunk of change, and letting the owners retain full ownership of that business, so no equity exchanges hands. There's a company that just launched out of there last year called Complete 3D. It's an additive manufacturing startup, and it's a startup to watch in this year, 2025. So check out the VOT Awards. Number 3 is Tech Louisville. This is a 90-day accelerator, so really compressed 3-month accelerator, and they focus on IT and high-tech startups, so not necessarily bio, more computer science, electrical engineering, computer-implemented inventions. And so they'll offer mentoring classes and networking at Tech Louisville. Forecaster with an R, no E, is a notable startup that just came out of Tech Louisville. They offer financial forecasting software for startups. So they help themselves, help their own startup community, and they're one of the fastest companies in Louisville. So check them out. That was Tech Louisville. Number 4 is called Power to Prosper. Power to Prosper. This one showed up on my radar. I checked them out. It's a minority-owned enterprise, so it's wonderful. It's all about their minority business accelerator. So they do focus on founders, businesses of color, and they have a cohort program that supports them with strategic business development. I thought it was fantastic. They have that neat focus. The notable startup is Melentated Healthcare. This empowers people of color, highlighting among Louisville's top healthcare tech startups. All right, number 5 is Chef Space. Chef Space. Be ready for innovations in the kitchen, food, culinary. This is your startup space. There's a commercial kitchen incubator. Now, incubators is a term you might have heard of. It's kind of like, when you have baby chicks, you're trying to raise them and keep them safe from all the wolves or predators. In a way, this is the same thing. So if you have a food-related, culinary, kitchen-related invention, this is a place to go here in Louisville. They will help mentor you, give you protection from the outside, and help you to kind of grow within their confines, allow you some of that space to work, grow your company, create the relationships you need to maybe even test your product while still being within the incubator. So check out Chef Space. Kitchen Collaboratives is a local brand that just got launched out of Louisville, and Chef Space, and Virtual Peaker. Virtual Peaker is an engaged food tech initiative there. So those 5 are yours truly, my favorite here in Louisville. Check them out, and also check our site out, our page, our Louisville page. If you are from this area, even if you're from the surrounding area, entire Kentucky, we're here to help at Bold Patents. We have attorneys both on the patents and trademark side. So book your free discovery call today. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.